Hey guys! We're here in Mactan, Cebu International Airport, and guess where we're going? We're going to Vietnam! This is our second travel for this year, 2025. I will be traveling together with Josen. She's actually here na, and I just arrived. So let's go!
Welcome back to the airport, Dai. Who's back?
We already passed the immigration. So currently nata there is a boarding gate. Nag-wait na ta sa atong boarding time, which is 8 p.m. because our flight will be 8:45. Our airline will be Cebu Pacific. Guys, I just want to share my immigration experience. Our last travel with Josen was last February, which is in Taiwan. So dagan kayo ask ang immigration ako, no, but I have no worries because I have my documents. When I first arrived in immigration, of course, gipangayo akong boarding pass na akong passport. Next is, ang first gi-ask is, asa ko, ano ko, Vietnam, and then, kanus ako muuli. And then afterwards, gi-ask ko if kinsa akong kuyog daw, and then I mention nga si Josen. And then I follow up question, how did I know Josen daw? Ano ko nga, we were friends ever since because we traveled together. And kanus ay yung last travel, ano ko nga, February, which is in Taiwan. Ano siya, is this your first time travel? Ano ko, yes. Ayun siya nga, mo ni sa Taiwan in yung first travel niya. Ano sa kong, yes. I was supposed to explain na our first travel was in Thailand, but that was way back 2019. So, ever since we traveled together na good. So, kapoy makag-explain, guys. So, muna ni Ana ako nga sa Taiwan. So, mo to, dagna ka siya follow-up question. So, ni Ana siya, after sa Vietnam, asa daw me? Mo to, iya magipangayo akong hotel nga booking. Ito ni Ana ko nga, ako ka ng, ano ko mo, labang pa may Cambodia, which is among itinerary mo is Vietnam to Cambodia. So, mo to, ni Ana siya nga, pwede ko mangayo sa full itinerary ninyo with a hotel, sa hotel. Akong hatag ra, iyang gipangayo ra is ang hotel booking. So akong gihatag, naka-prepare man yung documents niya, naka-print na po siya. So no worries ra jud ko, naka-provide man ko. So mo to ni Asha nga aso mo labang ni mo Cambodia. Oh, yes, 3 days mi sa Cambodia, and then after mo to ni Vietnam. Mo to ni Ana siya nga asa man ka mo exit ano ko sa Vietnam. So since naaman ni akong booking flight no na reference, gas ko niya nga when na ako gi-book akong return flight, yan I forgot na magud kay different magud nga month nga gibook na ko ang flight padung Ho Chi Minh, and different sa siya nga month nga gibook na ko ang flight pa uli from Ho Chi Minh to Cebu. What I can remember is I think April manggoro to ko sure ko ano sa ako gibook ang katong pa uli basta ni ana ko April na siya nga asa ka nag-work and siya nga mo to ni mention ko sa name sa company, and then nangayo siya sa akong company ID, and then after that pagtaloy sa akong company ID kay iyahang i-ask ko niya if asa ang office address and asa nga building. So after that, mo to yan akong gistampan. So actually, medyo puti siya, guys. I don't know, maybe because she just wants proof or something. Depende naman dyan na siya sa immigration officer ko nga ang mo interview ninyo. But anyway, I'm all prepared. I don't have to worry anything because I printed all of my documents, and I also have a soft copy man. Okay, so that's it for my immigration experience. So hopefully all goes well, and we will arrive in Nhat International Airport, that's Ho Chi Minh Airport, around 11 p.m. And ang mo pick up na mo dito is ni purchase mi sa Klook o airport transfer to hotel. So technically maabot mi sa hotel mga 1 a.m. o mga 2 a.m. na siguro, kaya around 45 minutes manggod ang biyahe from airport to hotel. So I'll see you in Vietnam. So, one seat ahead of us. Finally, guys! Tugnaw ka? Oo. Kanang sakay man taog kanong bus padong sa arrival puno naman. Sunod na lang ta. And we're here in Vietnam. Our team arrived. Arrived in Nhat International Airport. Ay, nakuha. Done with the immigration. Makuha na to sa itong luggage. It's about 5. So, kita na ako akong bag. And ang claim here. And this is our first night here. So, technically, we will be early tomorrow. Hi, Dai! We're done! Ha? 9 siya. Nasa sa 9. Currency exchange. Ano? Ito yan.
Kani, isa ko anday ka na.
Okay, so let's go. Manatag withdraw, and now we will go to our pick-up service. Excuse me, Alisa? Alisa.
Okay, di mo wa.
Okay. Amazing. Ha? Ano doon na tag?
Hindi ko na kaya. Oo, grabe.
Oh. Sige, tara din. Ikaw naman sa pick up mo ni siya ang from Klook na service. Nag-wait na lang mi sa car o sa driver ng pick up. Naami din. Shoot Manila guys. Yung arrival na area. Port Manila. Ha? Nice side. Sara. Okay ra dai dili kita yung sudlon nun dai kay. Oh, mo ni. Ha? Lain sa video no. Dili kay dili man. What's the one? Lalo yun din sa day. Unahan din sa day. Oo din. Dahil sa siguro ito. Kasi pang check out. Hey guys, so nanami here sa hotel. There is a Vue Hotel Saigon. And okay na ba kayo ilahang ilahang room? Good for 2 to siya. And then doon na po kay among room kay nara dapit sa lobby, which is nara siya sa ground floor, which is very good kay early man sad among check out tomorrow since mo ato ni Cambodia. This is it for today and I'll see you tomorrow.